In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm bent over row on a cable machine. Now, firstly, if you've never used a cable machine before, what you're looking for is the single handle attachment. And if you notice right at the top of this attachment, we've got a little hole. That's what's going to fasten into the carabiner. So I pop the carabiner open and it comes straight in like so. That's now not going to go anywhere, it's fastened in. Now I just want to show you what the bent over row is going to look like, so then you know how to set up the height of the cable machine. So you're going to be coming into feet hip width apart. You're going to be standing, dependent on what side you do, slightly off center of the cable machine, right? You're going to bring your knees into a soft bend. So I've got a slight bend in the knees. I'll bring my hips back without bending my back and arching. So I've got that, what we call a hip hinge. Now, wherever my hand is, in terms of that comfortable position, that's where I'm going to be rowing from. So you don't have to put this all the way to the bottom. You just want that comfortable position where you go, right, I'm feet hip width apart, knees bent, hip hinge forwards, keep it straight back. And wherever your hand then is, that is where we want the cable. So I'm going to pop this like so to a height that's suitable for me. Now from here, I'm standing to the side of the cable machine. I've already selected my weight on the cable machine, and I want to make sure I stand far enough away where I've got that arm completely straight. If I'm too close, I'm going to have nowhere to go with my row, right? So from here, nice straight arm, standing side on, core braced, and all you're then going to do is pull your elbow into your side and make sure you don't rotate through the upper body. So you're not trying to come in like so and use any rotation through the core or through the back. Everything's nice and set. And you're doing each individual repetition nice and slowly, squeezing your back on the way up and slowly lowering under control on the way down. Of course, when you've done your repetitions on that side, standing side on, got that hip hinge, nice straight back, looking forwards, chin down, and you can repeat your repetitions like so on the next side. That would be how to do a bent over single arm row on a cable machine. Repeat exactly the same amount of sets and repetitions on both sides and start off with your weaker side first if you have one.